Hi everyone, I'm Aaron, and a big thank you from the PhoenixDX team for inviting us into the competition. We built our solution with a mission, connecting people that want to help to others in need in a very direct, efficient, and easy way with urgency. We're designed focused on speed. We built a single PWA app in OutSystems 11 with different contexts for desktop and mobile despite being a single app. We truly believe that our solution can not only break down the barriers that exist between applicants and people who are able to assist, but can also help people see how easy it is to not only give just with money, but also with excess inventory, for example, as you'll see in our demonstration today. If we were to win, our selected charity is the Smith family in Australia, who our business has been working with since inception.
Okay, it's my absolute pleasure to introduce our entry into the hackathon that we've named Digital Samaritan. In the interest of time, some loading screens have been edited. First thing to show you here is that we have added multilingual support. So you can see that we're able to easily toggle between languages as appropriate for the end user. In this first experience, we're going to demonstrate the life cycle of a person requesting assistance. Now we can see here that in the burger menu, we can put through an application form. And in this experience, we can fill out a number of details, basic details about our application, who we are, where we live, what kind of assistance that we're looking for. In the interest of time, I'm going to move on. Okay, now in the interest of time, I've pre-logged in as an NGO user. Now, firstly, we understand that some people can't meet the minimum requirements of having a device to fill out an application or to have a Facebook account to log in and create an account. So as an NGO, we can click on the burger menu and we can fill out the application form on a person's behalf. We envisage that some people from charities or churches or what have you, we're walking around with devices in low-income areas, being able to offer people assistance and fill out an application form for them. On the right-hand side, what we can see is an NGO that we track all requests that have been made through the application, and we can see which of those have been completed or not completed, and we can see some historical information about that and filter to customize the request that we'd like to see in terms of historical context. Similarly, with a breakdown of requests and what status they're at. On the map, we can see a full view of all requests within the location of the NGO itself. This is a 5-kilometer radius. This is very powerful, and we have filters that help let you see outside your area as well. Now, in the interest of time, I've quickly logged in as a partner. A partner is someone who is happy to help assist a person who is requesting assistance. On the left-hand side, as a partner, I can see requests that would be relevant to me in terms of how I can help this person asking for assistance. And similarly, on the right-hand side, I can see a dashboard of all requests that I can evaluate myself. In the map view, I can see the same requests that are within the radius of where I am. I can click on this person and I can see the more details about the request. And then I can investigate that and I can see that this is someone that I would like to assist, and I can simply click and say, I will assist them. That is now going to put that person into my en route filter. In a real-world scenario, we envisage that people will use the desktop interface to explore opportunities to assist people, and they will use the mobile phone application to allow them to be on the road and evaluate all people that they're looking to help at the moment. In this example, the person that I clicked on earlier, we can see that this is someone that we're looking to help at the moment, and we're on the road and we're about to fulfill that request. And then we can click on this button here and say that we have met that request and it's all done, and I'll change that status to fulfilled. And that's been changed instantly in my application here. It's easy as that. Okay, now I'm logged in as an admin user. An admin user is someone who works at Zer0Hunger. You can see in this interface, we get some extra menu options. In the admin section, we can see lists of all of the NGOs and partners that we're working with, and the applicants who have made applications themselves, just to see all of their details if necessary. We can also file expenses in this area here, and we can categorize them into particular categories such as disaster relief, etc. And there'll be more on that in just a moment in the donor section. I just want to explore the map interface one more time. We've worked diligently with the Google Maps API to filter out a lot of the noise that gets shown by default by Google Maps. And what you can see here is that these are all requests on screen currently. When I zoom in, you can see that we're showing the parliamentary zones in Malaysia, which is really important context of Zer0Hunger. And also you can see the different icons that are showing that these are either requests that haven't been answered or have been answered. And we can use these filters on the left-hand side to see what is what. We can also see all of our partners and NGOs on this map as well. Finally, with the filters on the left, what we can see is what coverage our partners are giving coverage for. And we can also see which NGOs are giving coverage to what areas. And so this allows us to see which requests we're receiving in Malaysia, for example, where we currently don't have any coverage. That'll allow us to speak to our NGOs and partners to see if some of them might be willing to work outside of a 5-kilometer radius by default. This is really helpful information for the admin team. Okay, and the last thing I want to demonstrate is the donor section. We understand that some people are partners who are able to assist with food and other necessities, and we also have NGOs that are able to assist people directly. Some people would just like to help by being able to give money to Zer0Hunger. So we're able to click this button to sign up and become a donor. In the interest of time, I've pre-filled this simple form and hit sign up already. I'm now currently logged into my donations interface, and what I'm able to do here is to donate very, very easily. We've got some pre-filled amounts here, or we can put in a custom amount. I'm just going to click on this one. We can do this anonymously or not. That's our choice. And what we're able to select as well is how we would like our donation to be used. We can say we'd like Zer0Hunger to just use it generally, or we could pick a particular category here, such as disaster relief, that we'd like our donation to go towards. And then we click donate, and that donation goes immediately through. What we're then able to do from this interface is click on View Ledger, and we can see how our donation was used. And this is really helpful information for people who make donations to Zer0Hunger. And that's our demonstration. Thank you.